Hey y'all, remember the zipper packaging that I had found while I was working on my Seahorse journal, gathering up things? I'm going to use this on this page in my journal. I just need to decide how I'm going to use it. We've been trading around whatever this crazy German flu, whatever stuff is going around. It's terrible, you guys. I finally am feeling better, but I just feel tired and weak. So, trying to decide. I decided to cut it off. And then I decide I don't want that flap on the top because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make a bookmark to put in here. And I'm gonna speed up this video. It's still too long for the page because of how I want things to sit on this page layout. I'm gonna make it shorter. The flap was aggravating me, so I cut that off, and then I decided, well, no, I need to go ahead and make it shorter. Save all these little pieces for something else. And then I didn't like the pink because there's no pink in this page, and the inking wasn't working to cover it up, so I decided, fine, I'll cut it out. Okay. Seahorse will fit in here nicely. And then I did a little more trimming, rounded that top off to match the frame. Measuring this for the size of the bookmark that I can fit inside of it. Here I'm just inking the parts that you're going to be able to see when it's folded up. And that Seahorse image is a book page. I think I showed where I got that, maybe where I got that from in another video. And I'm going to collage this little strip of cardstock and turn it into a bookmark. I'm just going to go ahead and glue these flaps together to make my little pocket for the bookmark. And here I have some paper that I dyed with butterfly pea flowers. I'm going to use some of this to collage the bookmark. Okay, and I'm going to stitch around that. Still a little too tall, so I cut a little bit more off the top of the bookmark. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now I'm going to make this image a flip up with some writing space behind it. And again, I'm going to use my butterfly pea flower dyed paper. Just going to glue the little flap that I left at the top of the image down to this sheet of paper. And then I'm going to trim around that. I just tore that extra part off and then decided, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and use this little extra piece too. I'm just going to glue it onto the top of the other sheet and then trim around it. And now I have two little flip up sheets. I folded the second one in the wrong spot in the beginning and ended up refolding it. It happens. Okay, and then I stitched around it, and I'm just going to glue just along the top where that flap is. So now when I lift it up, you can lift up both sheets of paper and write on the front and back. I stitched around the pocket for the bookmark, and I want to leave it as a tuck spot. So I'm just going to glue it on 3 sides. Put my bookmark in there. Now I have a pocket here. So I need something for that pocket. And at first I thought, well, I'll use these little lined note sheets. But then I decided that was a little too bright. And since I used my dyed paper for everything else on this page layout, why would I not go ahead and use my dyed paper for that too? So I just folded a sheet up and cut it to fit the pocket. And then I decided to ink around it with some ground espresso. So to make everything match, I inked around the bookmark. And then I got out some stamps and my StazOn ink because I decided I wanted to stamp on this paper. It just looked a little plain. And I have a grouping of shells here and a vintage, it's a vintage stamp. I'm just going to stamp this on one corner. And then I added an eyelet and some trim, some yarn fibers to the top of that bookmark, just to decorate it up a little bit. I was trying to decide whether to put some of this across the bottom of this image, but I decided not to. I did decide to go ahead and add a little bit more stamping. So I have another grouping of shells here, another vintage stamp, and I'm just going to stamp across this bottom sheet. Again, trying to decide if I'm going to stamp any more. I decided not to. Okay. And this is what I ended up with for now. Pretty happy with this page. Thanks for watching, y'all.